Ebonics. Guess what? Like a decade ago, they tried to mainstream Ebonics, right? We're going to teach it in schools. We're going to say a whole, community of black people are just going to make it acceptable that they break verbs and conjugate shit all wrong. And look, when I'm at home, chilling with the homies, right, or even just kicking it with the wife, I talk differently than I do when I'm at work. And when if I'm with a, bunch of white people, I talk differently than when if I'm with a bunch of black people. But if I'm with a bunch of white people, I talk differently if I'm drinking beers, watching the football game, or if I'm at work. Like, everyone has different dialects. What do you call it, code switching today or whatever. People talk differently for the different situations. However, here's what's not going to be acceptable. You talking like a fucking idiot. Like, real talk. You know what I'm talking about. It's not acceptable. You make us look like and sound like yo. Don't even make me go there. I can't even act like that. You shouldn't either. So, look at some people, incredible role models on how to carry themselves in public, right? Denzel, people like Tyler Perry, right? Like people like, who else is out there? Women that really, like Oprah, right? You don't see Oprah, pattern weave and shit, right? Come on, like Ebonics. Almost got another digressional sessional. Ebonics, hell no, all right? Talk like you have an education, all right? When you're chilling with your friends, you can let your hair down. This is not a hard concept, to be honest with you.